It's you that I want when it's me and the men them. We have to run from my party girl them. Don't want me children and thing. Me not ready for all them things.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Laicharris or Lay, and today I'm going to be doing a fall makeup look. And I think I'm going to do like a burnt orange type of deal going on my eyes, and then a brown lip because we wear a lot of dark colors during the fall. So yeah, if you're interested in this video, please stay tuned. Okay, so as you guys can see, I already started off with my eyebrows being done. So now I'm just going to prime my eyelids with a concealer, and the concealer that I'm going to be using is the concealer in the color Toast. I'm just going to apply this all over my eyelid. Then I'm going to go in with my Morphe Brushes 35C palette, and I'm going to use this orange color here and then just brush that all on my crease. Then I'm going to go into my Meet Matte palette and take the color Matte Ramirez right here and then just put that into my crease. And then I'm going to also take Matte Ramirez and then put it into my inner and outer corners. Then I'm going to go back in with the orange color I used before in my Morphe 35C palette and blend out that harsh line from the brown and blend that orange back above my crease. Then I'm going to go back in with my concealer in the color Toast and then just put that in the middle of my eyelids. Okay, now that I have put the concealer on my eyes for the halo eye, I am going to use my BH Cosmetics 120 color palette, and I'm going to use this color here and apply that to my lid where I just put the concealer. And I think I'm just going to wet my brush a little bit just to make it a little more pigmented. Okay, so now going back in with the brown color that I used before, I'm just going to blend this out a little bit more so it's not like harsh lines and things like that. And I think I'm actually going to add some more of the orange, like make it a little bit higher. And then I'm going to take this color right down here and put this in my inner and outer corners. Well, I'm going to put this like right here at the edge of where I put the orange. Okay, I'm going to go back in with the Matte Ramirez color and just sharpen up the crease a little bit. And then I'm just blending it out now. Then I'm going to take this color here and just place this directly in the middle of the halo I have going on right here. Okay, so now I'm going to go off camera and put on my lashes, and I'm going to come back and do the rest of my face. Okay, so now that I have my lashes on, I'm going to go ahead and get ready to do my face. So I'm going to put on some primer. The primer I'm going to use is my E.L.F. poreless primer, and then I'm going to use my mattifying primer by Rimmel, Stay Matte. So I'm applying my matte primer in my T-zone, the places where I get oily. And I'm also going to apply the poreless one in my T-zone because that is where I get my pores, more like my nose and like my cheeks, underneath my eyes. Okay, now that I've applied my primer, I'm just going to color correct with the LA Girl Pro Concealer and put that where I have dark circles, my under eyes, above my lip, or where I have dark spots, my under eye, above my lip, and things like that. I'm just going to take my Real Technique sponge and blend it out. Okay, now for foundation, I'm going to take my Covergirl TruBlend Matte Foundation in the color D50, and I'm going to use a foundation brush and blend it and then go over it with my Real Technique sponge. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with my Kids Professional Pro Touch Concealer in the color Golden Honey, and then I'm going to apply that to the areas where I highlight. So I'm going to apply it underneath my eyes, on the bridge of my nose, underneath my nose, my chin. Okay, then I'm going to take my Real Technique blending sponge and blend it out. Okay, so now I'm going to take my Sacha Buttercup setting powder and apply it to the areas that I just highlighted. Okay, now I'm going to go in with my Queen Collection, Covergirl Queen Collection bronzer and ebony bronze, and then I'm going to bronze, well, contour the places that I usually contour, cheekbones, nose. Then I'm just going to wipe away that excess powder. Okay, so now that I'm done with my face, I'm just going to go back in and add some eyeshadow. I'm going to add the same eyeshadows that I use on the top of my eye to my under eye. So I'm going to use the brown Matte Ramirez, and then I'm going to use the orange color like in the middle to finish off the halo eye. Now that I've put that eyeliner or that eyeshadow on my lower lash line, I'm just going to add some mascara to my lower lash line. And the mascara that I'm going to use is the Maybelline Stiletto mascara. So I'm going to use this color here and add this to my inner tear duct. Alright, so now that my eyes are done, I'm just going to spray my face with my setting spray and then add my highlighter. So the setting spray that I'm going to use is the Wet n Wild Matte Finish setting spray. Okay, so I'm going to use this Baked blush from Forever 21. Okay, so now that I have sprayed my face and added my highlighter, I'm just going to start on my lips, and I'm just going to line my lips with a brown lip liner and add a dark lipstick. I think I'm going to use Limbo by Colourpop as my lipstick. Okay everyone, so this is the finished look. I think this is like my second or third time doing a halo eye, but if you guys like this video, if it was helpful for you guys, if you enjoyed it, let me know down in the comments. Subscribe to my channel, share this video, and yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
Mrs. I got things are so pretty around this time of the year.